Halo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We meet again in International Joint Conference on Science and Technology 2021 in Ternate, online by Zoom maybe. Okay, I will presentation about my research that is design and build a smart door lock using deep learning convolution neural network methods. We do this research with my name is Koko Joni, then Hanifuddin Sukri and Anita Ima. Why we choose smart door in this pandemic era? Because in late 2019 world has attacked by COVID-19 until now, and still a case in everywhere, especially in Indonesia. So we choose this smart door to to stop the spread of COVID-19, because the awareness of public about health protocol is still low. So we build this smart door to solution about the low awareness about people. So because we have a new normal, so people has to wash their hand using mask, and must check body temperature. So we put a door that people cannot come in to room before they using mask, washing hand, and low body temperature. This research is to aim to design smart door lock to determine the accuracy about my system that we built to detect mass and body temperature. And also we with automatic hand sanitizer. This is my design smart door. This is prototype. So we using only 1 meter height, and in this way we put Raspberry as a processing unit. Then we using sensor, camera, piezoelectric, and also temperature sensor. Camera to detect the mass, piezoelectric to detect hand, and also temperature sensor to detect body temperature. In this research, to detect a mass, we using a convolution neural network single shot detection, SSD. Yes. In the program we using that algorithm to detect a mass, and then the result is this. First we test about people without mask, and then the result is not wearing mask, and is about success 100% that to detect people without mask. So people cannot into room before they using mask. In this smart door, we have a series log algorithm. So if they detect mass, then detect suhu, detect temperature detection, body temperature detection, then automated hand sanitizer will on. After 3 step was done, they can come into the room. Then we test up to mask with plain mask and then with pattern mask. In this plain mask, we have accuracy about 100%, so all work. Yeah. People who mask with different color but no pattern is all was detection, and this result is 100%. No fail in this test. Pattern with mask pattern only 93% upon 94% that work or success to detect mask with pattern, because maybe it's difficult to detect between mask and face maybe, so we must and have failed about 6%, only small. Jadi so with mask pattern test we succeed about 94% and fail about 6%. Then we test about with face position. So people face to front, from top, from bottom, from right, and from right is about 50% work, and people with from top and bottom camera will work, but if we face from right or left is fail, not work, not succeed to test this system. And then we also about distance test mask with distance, where until 240 centimeter we work until 200 or 200 centimeter or 239 work to detect the mass. More than 239 is fail. So my camera only detect until 239 centimeter that succeed detect a mass, people with mass. Then we also test a temperature sensor test, where in normal room we detect about 32.3 Celsius degree. And then when we using our hand to detect by sensor is about 36 and 83 degree Celsius. When we detect a forehead is almost the same with hand, so we say that body temperature sensor is work well, they accurate to detect the body temperature. Then on overall system we say that our system is working 100%, First we detect the mass, and then we detect the body, then we automatic hand sanitizer with proximity sensor. Then if all have done, then open will open. Door will open. Then if one of them is failed, door will not open. So in this test we try about 6 times, and this all done well. So people with mass will detect, the body will check below 38, then they will activate the hand sanitization. So if the temperature body is over than 38, there will be fail. Conclusion about this research is, in mass testing, mass that have pattern will take longer to detect. Detection of mass greatly affect the intensity of the light around them. So we conclude that mass with plain mass will faster than mass with pattern. And then detection of mass will have distance until 239 centimeter, and often than that will not detect. Sensor temperature sensor using MLX 90614 detectly accurately to detect the body temperature. All systems have working about 63%, and error with 6 plus minus 6%. From 66 detection tests in all whole tests. So we have done tests using 76 tests about mass and people, and work well about 63%, and fail about work with 93.4% and fail with 6.6%. That's all my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.